Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to enable a Spotlight-style search on Windows 11 using PowerToys. This replaces the slower, full-screen default Windows menu with a minimalist, floating search bar that centers directly on your workspace to launch apps, calculate equations, and find documents instantly. First, click the Start button, type PowerToys, and select PowerToys Settings. Look at the navigation sidebar menu on the left side and click on PowerToys Run. Locate the toggle switch at the very top explicitly labeled Enable PowerToys Run and click it to flip it completely on. Close the settings window and press the default universal shortcut keys Alt plus Space simultaneously on your keyboard. A clean, modern input bar will instantly drop down into the exact center of your active display screen. Type the name of any system application, system configuration tool, or local storage document to see a filtered list of matches update dynamically in real time. Use your keyboard arrow keys to jump through the results and slam Enter to open your selected file or application instantly. To close the overlay window at any point, simply click anywhere outside the input box or press the Escape key on your keyboard. And that's it. Your fast, minimalist desktop search bar is now completely enabled and operational. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.